Baik, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Ulmu Kalsum from regular class 2 will explain the material of adjective present. In English, adjective with are adjective we usually use to describe something. There are my adjective in English that we can use to describe certain condition. There are even some adjectives that have the same meaning and can be used in infinite condition. Definisi adjective present. Refer from grammar monster and adjective phrase in collecting of word that describe a subject or object in a sentence. An adjective in an adjective present can appear at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence and can be used before or after the subject or object. The position may be before or after a noun atau as an attribute to from a noun phrase or after a linking verb atau biasa dibilang as a prefix. Example. Yang pertama itu example a streamer happy, gray brow, beautiful painted, to speak, not too far. Future of adjective present. There are several that have adjective present. There are various to distinguish from ordinal adjective. Some of the characteristics of adjective phrase are. Pertama itu request a subject. The phrase characteristics of an adjective present is that it requires a subject, just like an adjective. Up from the day adjective phrase must so be located behind the subject. Example: a leaf, a liquid, small but really calm boarding house. Yang kedua itu can be a adjective. Next, we will describe the natural of adjective that can become adjective. In English, adjectives are a series of words that add information to sentence. The function of the adjective in a sentence does not after the grammar, but what is after that is the complex atau broadness of the information. On top of the mother a very delicious chocolate cake when she was her adjective present. Formula: there are several types of modification an adjective present can do, ranging from modifying the rhyming to infringing. The text can modify the parents of an adjective present are called modifiers. The terminus and interference. Adjective present are called modifiers. The terminus and interference. Yang pertama itu modifier. Modifiers in English are words, phrase, or clause. The functional to challenge the word. They are attuned to us the name sunggrace. Modifiers can modify adjective and meaning and even means. Adjective present are called modifiers. The terminus and interference. Yang pertama itu modifier. Modifiers in English are words, phrase, or clause. The functional to challenge the word. They are attuned to us the name sunggrace. Modifiers can modify adjective and meaning and even means. And even meanings. Example, we can wish from something that is improbable happen. Dua, determinant. If the modifier can color or explain the meaning, the determiner is used for making the meaning more specific. Compared to modifiers and interference, determinants are most often used in adjective part. Example, please give me some from orange juice. Tiga, in server, let's but spill improvement is adjective present that is from a combination of an interjective and adjective. Complement to the two complements the make up the present adjective phrase. The interjective is much more specific. In English, interjectives have the meaning of word that can be used to except something or so incentive. The more common explain of interjectives are very rarely exclamation rarely beller and the like. Example, did it so delicious? The forum from author coffee in its class. Use of adjective present in encounter with the explain of the definition about adjective present have to from and mainly attribute and predicates. What's the difference? Yang pertama itu adjective for in simple tense and adjective can be cited as an adjective that usually comes before unmodified verbs. What is an example center. I like very dark chocolate. Predicate adjective. Predicate is offside of attribute. For in simple forms, it is an adjective the generally common after the governing verbs. What is example centered? The flowers are beautiful. Carrot and priest. Example center. Uswi adjective priest. Is she a woman do all the me? That just someone to first. The is a delicious and sweet example food. Your beak is really beautiful. That my explain of the adjective present. That is all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.